Yes, hello guys, and welcome to another amazing video. Yes, this is the Creator Pro Social Media 101 course. It's a full course, yes, but if you're seeing this video separate from the course, there's no problem. It's also to educate you. Yes, we are hoping to explain everything on the YouTube dashboard in this video. Hope we don't waste so much time on this video. Yes, so we'll just start by the help. You can go to help and read up in case you are confused on how this thing works. You can also see some videos online on how they work. This notification, yes, you will get notifications on maybe, let's say, someone commented, and maybe some of the channels you're subscribed to posted a video. Maybe you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You also get them direct messages from YouTube. You get it from this notification. Here is create. Obviously, you click on it, you see upload video, go live, create post. The only thing you can't do here is creating shorts. Yes, we'll be showing you how to create shorts in other videos, but we'll not show you how to do that here. Okay, this podcast, new playlist, creating podcast and all that. Is this where you do your stuff? Yes, when you talk to creation, this is where you do them. You can say post this picture. When we start uploading, we'll know more about all these things. Then here are the easy shortcuts to these up buttons here. This one is your own profile, your account, because you already have here. We don't need to stress ourselves. So here is upload video, the same thing we have here. Here is go live, we also have here is create post, we also have it here. So this channel dashboard. So what's going to be showing you here is latest video performance, that is here. Important notification, yes, that is here. I appealed to one of my videos that was brought down rather, and they didn't agree for the appeal. They refused to take it up back, so I just left it. The video contained emails, so you don't upload a video that contains email address anymore apparently, so we had to stop that. Then this is the Creator Insider. You can go there to learn this week at YouTube. New community features are live. We are also expanding short AI tools and blah blah blah. Watch on YouTube. You can go here to learn what is happening this week on YouTube. Yes. Then channel analytics also pop out here. You can see summary. That's 28 days. You've got 6 views, 0.1 watch hour, 0 subscribers. Yes, I've not really started working on the channel. Like I said, I'll just be doing uploading. Then maybe when students start coming in and people start watching and subscribing, and then I start maybe throwing some more focus, because this is an evergreen niche. Yes, you are likely to get people coming in to ask what is happening, know what is happening in the channel. So you will everly get people, even in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, somebody will still watch a video from this channel. So that is why evergreen niches are very, very good. Create your first post. Okay, we've not created post. I doubt to be creating much post, but it's very, very good to create post. Yes, like your thumbnail, you can just use it to create a post. Yes, any video you create, you just put your thumbnail there, then link the video to your thumbnail. So we'll also talk about that when we are uploading. Yes, I think that's that for this. Then we'll go to content. Under content, we have all your content. Yes, this is inspiration I was talking about. If you click here, you get inspiration. Or if what's it called? If YouTube have already understood your niche, so they can easily give you inspiration on what to the next video to upload, and people follow that inspiration, they get tons of views. Like they'll give you a trending video in your niche, so you just click on inspiration, and they'll say what's your next great idea. See topics they've given you: social media growth, platform creation guide, content creation tips, digital presence building, all this stuff. You can come here. Decoding Instagram 2026 algorithm strategy for maximum organic reach. All these are like a title, then it's like a thumbnail that they designed for you to use. The feature of LinkedIn, leveraging all these. These are things that if you create now, you get kind of people coming in to watch them because they are trending topics, kind of. So these are inspirations, yes, to people. Then your videos are here. On the videos, you can see everything. I think it's small. You can see everything on your videos. Help improve YouTube. No, not now. So you can see everything on your video here. Visibility, whether it is public or private or whatever. You can actually change the visibility here, but we're not here to do that. Restrictions. This is talking about copyright. Okay, copyright restrictions. That's what this is talking about. We're talking about restrictions. Then date they were uploaded. Yes, I always premiere my video when I go to uploading. Talk about that. Then comment, like versus dislike. You see how many people like and people dislike in this place. Then that's basically what is here. Then on each video you have how to edit the video. You can edit the details, the full details. So this is how when I post my videos on the YouTube app, I come here to edit. Then analytics, yes, tells us how this video is doing, this particular video is doing. So you can click on it, yes, to learn how the video is doing, whatever. You can learn how the video have been doing for the past 1 year. Safe. You can click here for the past 360 days, sometimes it's lifetime. So that's just it. So you can just learn how the video is doing, the audience, the reach, impression. Yes. Now impression means an impression click-through rate. Impression means it has shown this to at least 4 persons. Understand? Then impression click-through rate is how many people don't click on. So out of 4, 1 person don't click and watch it. You understand? So that's 25%, because 25 times 4 is 100%. So 1 person don't click and watch it. So out of the 4 persons where you don't show, 1 person don't click and watch it. So it's not bad listen, because this click-through rate it low, it's no good. Yeah, sometimes it's very low, so you just have to understand that. Then engagement, yes, 1 person engaged and the person watch. This is actually a very good average video duration. How long is the person watch? How long did people watch in average? So now only 1 person watch, and the person watched almost 5 minutes. Then audience, where is the person watching from? So if you don't have a lot of views, you will not get data here. Yes, I'm correct. So that is how this one works. So I don't want to waste much time explaining analytics. Then there's editor. In case you want to edit a video after posting, you can come here and do it. Yes, but it is not get started. It's not really much you can do. There's trimmer. You can trim and cut. You can blur. You can add audio. I think these are the 3 things you can do. You can trim. If you want to trim and cut, you touch here. Then you come here. You drag. Okay, you want to cut here for here. You can save here. You want to cut the video. You can also preview what you are cutting here to know what you are cutting. So that is basically that's what I'm going to be touching. Anything here. Then there are comments on the video. What else you have done. Then details. You want to edit the details of the video. That's basically come here to edit. After editing, you click save. Even if I put full stop here, you see say you don't tell me to make I save. So you're not here for that. I believe I've explained this almighty video site. Then shorts, we'll show your shorts, and the same thing we're talking about live, the same thing, all the live you have done. Say live, after doing the live, it becomes a live video that is already posted, so it will still appear here as it was done live, but it is now a video that is shown in the channel. You understand? No more a new live or something. No, even if you create live 5 years ago, to just be showing here as live. You understand? Then post here, your post will show here. Playlist, you'll be creating playlists. Like I said, I created this playlist, social media growth. Yes, I'm adding almost all my videos here. So very soon I will now separate them. Okay, TikTok growth, okay, Facebook growth. I can separate the playlist. You understand? Then podcast edition is not really going to be talking about podcasts. Yes, I call this relationship something, gender something. They usually have podcasts. So, but this channel is not for that. Promotion is where you run your ads and promote your ads here, and I will not be teaching anybody how to promote their ads on YouTube because it's very expensive. But if you want to do that, you can actually go ahead and do that, or you just let me know. I will put you through how to do that. It's very easy actually to do that. Collaboration, yes, when you collab with people, this collaboration is very crazy, so I don't really engage in it. You have to, unless there's a lady actually that asked me to, they have said that she would actually let us small YouTubers to collab with her. Now when you collab with somebody, kind of bring the person's subscriber, the person's audience closer to your own content, so that they will also view your own content. So I will just try if the lady will respond. As if they allow you to, yes, you have to request and the person will allow it. So it is in when you're uploading content, you will see it. So when we get to uploading stage, you will see it. Yes. So that's that for that. Then analytics generally cover the analytics of the channel, total views you've gotten, total watch hours. Then if you want to go to each content to tell the analytics of the videos, the shorts and the playlist. For now we have only videos. You understand? And look at the click-through rate for all your videos, and look at the impressions for all your videos. Look at the average view duration for all your videos. So that's just it. So monthly audience, just 4 persons have come to the channel. Then trends, ideas for the next video. How to make money on TikTok 2025. You see, all these ideas, they are very good in case you need them. Come here, in case you are lost for videos, you come here and start doing a lot of videos. Good. Yes, then community. Yes, community very important. This one tells you, shows you your comments. Yes, shows you your comment. People in your comment, people that mentioned you, people that are commenting under your video. This is where you come, and it's very easy to reply people here from here. Like if I have so many comments, I want to just reply them fast. I'll just come and reply them. But when you grow so big, it's very difficult to reply every comment. So it's just the ones you see and you have time to reply, just reply. Mentions, people that mention it, like I said. Then subtitles, you don't really need much for subtitles. Channel subtitles you have, so you don't need to touch here. Nothing here to touch. Your channel is in English, so you might not need to touch subtitles. And maybe when you get to a particular stage, they will now start, saying, okay, Alpha, subtitle for this channel, you never see all this kind of thing. They will now give you a subtitle. They saw I've forgotten the name of this stuff. They'll make your videos in such a way that if someone from Spain is watching, you do a video in English, but someone from Spain will be seeing the video and be what is coming out from your mouth, you're speaking Spanish to the person. So that's when you have a lot of content. I think that's when that one will start working. They call it something dub, this language dub, so whatever. Then content detection. Yes, this is copyright. New request, new removal request, removal request. Yes. So by the time you start, people start copywriting you. From here you can catch anybody that that way they use your content. Yes, if people are using your content, they are using your content without telling you they are doing copyright. You can catch them and you can do a claim on them and also issue a warning strike on them. Yes, I think I've explained copyright before, what it means in the course. Yes, there is a claim, there's a warning, and there's a strike. There's this is warning. I will not call it warning. I'll just call it notification. They'll just tell you, oh, this content have a copyright too, but maybe it is allowed to be used. You understand? Then the strike is when they will actually tell you, guy, this thing you do is not good. This thing you did, copying someone's content, is not good, and we are warning you, don't do it again. Do it again, you are in danger of losing your YouTube channel. Then claim is when the person where you copy in channel in video don't say you they make money from the video, and he doesn't want you to, and he's okay with it, but he wants to make money, so he will just lay a claim. So if YouTube check that person is the rightful owner of that video, what YouTube will do to be paying him like maybe 80% of the money or 90% of the money you are making for him. Then you will be boosting your audience because people will obviously be coming because of that content, and then him will be getting the payment, most of the payment, not you. Good. Then the end is where you go and check your eligibility. Yes, for the monetization and all that. So start your journey, blah 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 blah. Yes, this is where you check. You can get monetized in so many different ways. When you get monetized, there are a lot of things that come with it. Yes, membership. People can be subscribing to be members of your channel. Yes, we have supers. You can read what they are all about. You see, super chats, yes, super stickers and super thanks. You can sometimes you see some channels they will have $sign. You need to thank. You come say, okay, donate to thank them. You can just do that. Then shopping, yes, people have some clothes, like you see shops. Some channels have shop. Yes, when you monetize, you can do most of these things. So what are the things that will lead to monetization? Now, 3 videos for some of the benefits here above here: membership, supers, and shopping. You have to have at least 3 videos. I've done that one already. You have to have at least 500 subscribers. I don't have that one. And you have to have at least 3,000 watch hours. Okay, I don't have that one yet. I have not even started having watch hours yet. Then also you have to have all. Yes, this is all. So basically you do this two. This two is compulsory. Then you pick one from here. So the easiest one to get from here is this 3,000 watch hours, not this public short views, because public short views is not easy to get. Yes. Then okay, get notified when you're so, but this is the main one. Watch pitch ads and short feed ads is the one you're looking for, and so it's a bit more harder. You have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million public short views. This one is also usually very difficult to come by, so it's mostly the 1,000 watch hours people are fighting for, and I'll be teaching you how to get there fast, obviously. Then we've touched customization, and I've mentioned this music audio library. I think the list of songs. Yes, look at the songs that you can use, like it's kind of instrumental you can use to add to your video, like the one you're listening now on the background of this video. Very, very useful and very, very impressive. Makes your video like original. And I'll talk about settings and then feedback. There's something to talk about here. Alright, so by using it, we agree, I got it. Okay, so that's that for that. I think we've covered everything in this particular place. Yes, if you have questions, you can drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Yes, I think we're done here. Oh, very, very grateful this video is not up to 20 minutes because I was scared. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.